2025 Chevrolet Bolt EUV, is it still worth buying? 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EUV. Bolt EUV Range 2025. Affordable electric SUV. Chevy Bolt EUV Review. Bolt EUV Super Cruise. Bolt EUV Charging Speed. Bolt EUV Cargo Space. Bolt EUV Price and Incentives. The 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EUV continues to stand out as one of the most budget-friendly all-electric SUVs, offering a compelling blend of range, space, and modern tech. As General Motors prepares to replace it with a next-gen Ultium-based model, potential buyers may wonder, does the current Bolt EUV still hold up in 2025's rapidly evolving EV landscape? Familiar package with minor updates. Visually, the 2025 Bolt EUV carries over its distinctive subcompact crossover silhouette, highlighted by refreshed LED lighting signatures and new wheel designs. Built on GM's BEV2 platform, it benefits from a higher ride height and convenient roof rails, making it notably more practical than the smaller Bolt EV hatchback. Powertrain, range and charging. Under the hood, a single 200 HP electric motor drives the front wheels, delivering 266 lb-ft of instant torque and a 0 to 60 mph sprint in about 7 seconds. The Bolt EUV's 65 kWh battery yields an EPA-estimated 247-mile range, ideal for daily commutes and moderate road trips. DC fast charging at up to 55 kW adds approximately 95 miles in 30 minutes, while Level 2 charging refills the battery overnight in around 7 hours. Tech-rich, spacious interior. Inside, the Bolt EUV surprises with its roomy cabin, 56.9 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. A 10.2-inch touchscreen, digital gauge cluster, and standard wireless Apple CarPlay/Android Auto create a user-friendly environment. Higher trims add conveniences like a Bose premium audio system and panoramic sunroof. Safety and Super Cruise. Chevrolet equips every 2025 Bolt EUV with Chevy Safety Assist, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring. On Premier trim, Super Cruise hands-free highway driving is available, though its coverage remains limited to pre-mapped routes. Affordability versus competition. Starting around $28,000 before incentives, the Bolt EUV undercuts many rivals like the Volkswagen ID.4 and Ford Mustang Mach-E, making it one of the most accessible EVs available. Federal and state tax credits can reduce the net cost further, boosting its value proposition. However, without an all-wheel drive option, some buyers may look elsewhere for better traction in adverse conditions. Pros and cons. Pros. Excellent urban range and efficiency. Spacious cabin and generous cargo room. Strong value after incentives. Available Super Cruise on higher trims. Cons. Moderate DC fast charging speed, 55 kilowatts. No AWD variant. Ride can feel firm on rough roads. Interior design less premium than newer competitors. Final verdict. The 2025 Chevrolet Bolt EUV remains a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers seeking a practical, tech-loaded EV with respectable range. While its technology feels a generation behind upcoming Ultium models and lacks AWD, its affordability, everyday usability, and Chevy's growing charging network ensure it still merits serious consideration in 2025.